Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Home Depot gift card online. First, open a web browser and go to the official website of Home Depot. Then, log in to your depot account. Add the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart. Once done, click on your cart at the top right corner. Click the checkout button. On the checkout page, enter your contact information, including your first name, last name, and phone number. Scroll down to the payment section and click on Apply a gift card. Enter the gift card number from the back of your card in the first box. Then type in the PIN number in the next box. Complete the CAPTCHA by clicking I'm not a robot. Then entering your billing address, zip code, and other required information. Finally, click Place Order. Your gift card will be applied to your purchase. And that's it. That's how you redeem your Home Depot gift card online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.